students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 16 of your class 6 English grammar, that is active and passive voice. So let's begin with this lesson. A transitive verb has two voices. Transitive verb में क्या होती है? Two voices होते हैं, active voice and passive voice. So the active and passive voice show whether the subject of the verb acts or is acted upon. वॉइस क्या दिखाती है? जो सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब है हमारा उसने एक्ट कर दिया है, किस पे एक्टेड अपॉन किया है, मतलब इट इज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब इज द डूअर. अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब क्या है? डूअर है और एक्शन का वर्ब इज सेड टू बी इन द एक्टिव वॉइस. को आपकी वर्ब क्या होती है? एक्टिव वॉइस में होती है. लाइक मिस्टर रॉय बॉट अ कार, रीना राइट्स अ लेटर. जो आपका डूअर है, सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब क्या है? डूअर है, तो ये क्या एक्टिव वॉइस है. अंजू किल्ड अ स्नेक, she helps me. When the effect of an action is received by the subjective object, जो action है इसका इफेक्ट होता है आपके एक्शन का और किससे रिसीव होता है? सब्जेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्ट से. द सेंटेंस इज सेड टू इन द पैसिव वॉइस. आपका सेंटेंस पर पैसिव वॉइस में होता है. लाइक अ बंगलो वाज बॉट बाय मिस्टर रॉय. बंगलो किसने लिया? मिस्टर रॉय ने लिया. अ लेटर वाज रिटन बाय रीना. लेटर किसने लिखा? रीना ने लिखा. A deer was killed by tiger. Deer को किसने किल किया? टाइगर ने. I am helped by her. ने को उसने हेल्प की. Rules for changing active voice sentence into passive voice. Here are the rules. Like only transitive verb can be used in passive voice. खाली हम transitive verb को use कर सकते हैं किसमें? Passive voice में. The preposition by, with or are often used to say who or what caused the action. ये किसमें use होती है? कि किसने एक्शन कॉज किया या किससे हुआ. सो द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज यूज. तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करते हैं. द सब्जेक्ट टेक्स द प्लेस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट किसका प्लेस लेता है? ऑब्जेक्ट का प्लेस लेता है. एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट टेक्स द प्लेस ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. और ऑब्जेक्ट किसका प्लेस लेता है? सब्जेक्ट का. द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस डज नॉट चेंज. जो टेंस होता है सब्जेक्ट का वो चेंज नहीं होता. Only the form changes. खाली form change होती है. The pronouns are changed as shown below. Like I का me हो जाता है. They, them, we, us, he, him, she, her. You का you ही रहता है. Now the simple or indefinite tense. Simple or indefinite tense क्या होते हैं? First, for the simple present tense we use am, is or are. हम क्या यूज करते हैं? am, is और are यूज करते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के लिए पास्ट पार्टिसिपल के साथ टू फॉर्म द पैसिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस का क्या होता है? एक्टिव वॉइस द टीचर टीचर्स द स्टूडेंट. द स्टूडेंट्स आर टॉट बाय द टीचर. सो रिचा सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग. सो अ सॉन्ग इज सung बाय रिचा. एक्टिव वॉइस में गीता लव्स सीता. सीता इज लव्ड बाय गीता. पुनीत रीड्स अ बुक. अ बुक इज रेड बाय पुनीत. ही ड्रिंक्स मिल्क. पैसिव में क्या हो जाएगा? मिल्क इज ड्रिंक बाय हिम. Now for the simple past tense. Simple past tense में क्या होता है? We use was were. हम was were को use कर लेते हैं with the past participle to form the passive voice. Like active voice is Harish sang a song. Passive voice will be a song was sung by Harish. Smita wrote a letter. A letter was written by Smita. Sushil plucked flowers. Flowers were plucked by Sushil. My father advised me. I was advised by my father. Columbus discovered a route to America. A sea route to America was discovered by Columbus. See, in the simple future tense we use will be, shall be. Simple future tense में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? will be, shall be यूज करते हैं. किससे फॉलो होता है? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल क्या से पैसिव वॉइस बनाने के लिए. एक्टिव वॉइस एंड पैसिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस के माई फादर विल बाय क्लोथ. मेरे फादर क्या खरीदेंगे? क्लोथ्स बाय करेंगे. Clothes will be bought by my father. Karan will bring the book. The book will be bought by Karan. So he will write the stories. The stories will be written by him. The principal will give the watch to the student. Future में होने वाला है ना, simple future tense है. तो हम क्या कर देंगे? The watch will be given to the students by the principal. Active voices in simple future tense. My mother will cook the food. Food will be cooked by my mother. Learn the rules given in the table. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Simple present tense में क्या होता है? Is plus past participle, am plus past participle. उसमें क्या होता है? Simple past tense में was plus past participle. आपका simple future tense होगा shall plus past participle. Simple present में am plus past participle, verb plus past participle in simple past and simple future tense में will be plus past participle. Now there are some tenses which are used in the passive voice. कुछ tenses है जो passive voice में use होते हैं. Like Subhash Chandra was born in Cuttack, Odisha. Terry Dam is built on Bhagirathi River. Now the continuous tense. In the present continuous tense, we use is, am, are with being followed by the past participle to make the passive voice. Present continuous में क्या होता है? Is, am, are use करते हैं किसके साथ? Being के साथ. So past participle में जो passive voice में. Now active voice हमारा Raman is eating an apple. Passive voice क्या हो जाएगा? An apple is being eaten by Raman. We are learning our lessons. Our lessons are being learned by us. The girls were solving the sums. The sums are being solved by the girls. Now, in the past continuous tense, we use was, were, are with being. हम past continuous tense में क्या use करते हैं? Was, were use कर सकते हैं being के साथ. किससे follow करते हैं? Past participle से क्या करने के लिए? Passive voice करने के लिए. Active voices, the father was driving a car. Passive voice क्या हो जाएगा? A car was being driven by the father. Abhishek was throwing a stone. Stone were being thrown by Abhishek. The people were chasing the thieves. The thieves were being chased by people. Now learn the rules given in the table. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense. Is plus being plus past participle. Past continuous में हो जाएगा was plus being plus past participle. Am present continuous में am plus being plus past participle. Past continuous will be verb plus being plus past participle. Present continuous will be are plus being plus past participle. Now the perfect tense. In the present perfect tense, we use have been, has been. Perfect हम present perfect tense में हम क्या use करते हैं? Have been use करते हैं, has been use करते हैं. किससे follow करते हैं? Participle से, past participle से follow करते हैं passive voice में. Like active voice क्या हमारा? Amit has cleaned the floor. Passive क्या हो जाएगा? The floor has been cleaned by Amit. India have won the match. The match has been won by India. Sahil has killed the snake. The snake has been killed by Sahil. In the past perfect tense, we use had been. Past perfect tense में हम क्या use करते हैं? Had been use करते हैं. किससे follow करते हैं? Past participle से to make the passive voice. Active voice, Mr. Gupta had sold his house. Passive voice क्या हो जाएगा? His house has been sold by Mr. Gupta. Now the police had caught the thief. The thief has been caught by the police. My mother had washed my shirt. My shirt had been washed by my mother. Now third. In the future perfect tense में क्या होगा? We use will have been, shall have been. किससे follow करते? Past participle से passive voice करने के लिए उसे. Now active voice is my mother will have prepared lunch. The lunch will have been prepared by my mother. She will have sent the letter by the next week. A letter will have been sent by her next week. He will have bought a car next Monday. A car will have been bought by him next Monday. Now learn the rules given in the table. Here are some rules given. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. Present perfect tense का क्या rule है? Have plus been plus past participle. Has plus been plus past participle. Past perfect tense में क्या हो जाएगा? Had plus been plus past participle. और future perfect tense में will plus have plus been plus past participle, shall plus have plus been plus past participle. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a wonderful day.